So here we are at the front porch, and we did all this work last year. And down here is where the skirting is going to go. And that's where it was. And we pulled it out, we dug down, put all this stone in. This is 2 feet of stone here, 3 feet of stone here. And the distance of the skirting from the bottom of the edge of the porch down varies. But over there, it's about 25 inches. And that's our shallowest spot. So I'm going to make it, it's not all going to be down to the stone where it is now, but what we'll do is build up the stone to match the height. So we're going to go up on top here. So up here, we started working on this one. And we removed the whole bottom piece. And that took some time, took a few hours to chisel it out of there. You got lots of nails. And then this is some boards I had left over from the flooring. It's good hemlock, not planed. And then this is a piece of hemlock. So these are not 2x4s because I didn't want them that thick because I had to plane them down to 1.25 inches. But it turns out if I lay one in here, lay my 1x4 here, I got the right distance. Now, it's not as fancy as the original, but the problem is this is where the water is going to be hitting. So, yeah, we can make it really fancy and everything, but the problem is the water is going to cause paint coming off. It's going to cause the more cracks you have and everything else. And quite frankly, this is the design. When this gets painted 3, 4, 6 colors, your eyes, this is going to be a solid color. Your eye is going to go to this stuff and these rosettes and all this design is going to be awesome. So I don't think making this super extravagant is really advantageous, both for life expectancy and even design-wise. I don't think it really helps that much. So I'm not trying to cop out and take the easy way out, but I think in this case it's justified. Here we're going to add this on. About a 2-incher, so a little shallower than this. We'll screw in here, and then from the back side we may have to make wedges to screw up and to screw into here on below so that we don't get this thing wobbling back and forth when it's hanging on the porch. It'll be sitting on the stone some too, so that's going to be a big factor as the stone will block it in place. So there you go. We've figured out what we're going to do. I feel very comfortable with it. It's exciting to get this back on. It's been off, I think, probably 5 years. So most people have thought it was gone, but really it wasn't. It was sitting in the garage waiting for repair. So let's get back at it, and this should be beautiful.